still nothing.
Hey, Peter. Last time I saw a video on YouTube, you pushed Mario Sonic at the Spire Sapper.
Yep, that was hilarious. I agree, that was funny.
You fell Mario Sonic at your trap.
They couldn't get down from there. Yep, I love that trap. It makes me want to laugh too. You know what's so stupid?
What? What?
They put Madam Web in the game. Yeah, I know, she'll stuck at us.
Well, I can't wait for the game to come out this September.
Yep, it's gonna be better than Spider-Man Web of Shadows.
Guys! I caught a big fish!
Let me see. Look nice.
Yep, and I can't wait to taste it. Hey, she stole my fish! Then go fish another one.